Alright guys, here we are. Update number 1 for Norseman beard products. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you've come to the right place. Take the first step, click that subscribe button. Okay, so today is update number 1 for Norseman beard products and Year of the Beard. Now, if you missed that unboxing video from Norseman, I'll put a card up top. You need to check it out. We've got a pile of products to go through in this month. So we're going to talk about 2 scents today and tell you how they've been doing so far in my beard for the last week or so. So we're going to talk about 2 scents, oil and butter, if I can get them out my little hammock pocket here. And if you stay tuned through this video, at the end we'll have a promo code for you guys to check out. So the first one we're going to talk about is Odin's Voyage. Now this one, all right, so the oils come in a cobalt blue bottle with the blue label. These labels are just awesome. I love the way these labels look on these blue bottles. A little bit about Norseman. This is printed on all of their labels. Developed from necessity, Norseman beard products contain all 100% all natural organic ingredients carefully combined to moisturize and condition your beard, transforming brittle, coarse hair into soft, healthy beards. So that is what is on the oil. Now the ingredients on these oils, very simple, very simplistic, but 100% organic cold pressed sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil. That's the ingredients on all the oils. It's the same. All of the oils, that's the ingredients. So the butters come in a tub like this. Now these are the, I guess these are the 2 ounce. Yes, these are the 2 ounce butters. You can get them in 4 ounce on the website. And the ingredients on the butters, all 100% natural organic shea butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, arrowroot, and beeswax. So that's the ingredients on all the butters. Let's get into these. All right, so the oils, they've got the castor, so they are a little bit thicker. Now, Odin's Voyage, what I get out of this one. We'll talk about the scent first. Odin's Voyage is fresh Nordic seas. This is kind of it reminds me of like a soap, like just that cleanliness, that clean, crisp, fresh. It's really good. My wife loves this one. It is, I don't really want to say cologne-ish, but it does have a little bit of that feel to it. That scent has a little bit of cologne scent to me. That's just what I think of. But it smells really, really good. This is a thicker oil. It's kind of a yellow color. It's not real dark, but it is definitely on the thicker side. And it has done wonders for my beard. It doesn't take a whole lot because it is so thick. It just gets in there and absorbs really, really fast. A few days in the testing so far, I've done just oil. And it's so thick, it does give you a little bit of a hold. If you've got some little stray flyaways, I really like Odin's Voyage. Now, for the butter, this is like I said, the 2 ounce tub. Comes with a screw top, and then it comes with the little safety cap, I guess. And that is what it looks like. Now, in my unboxing, I did dig into one of these a little bit, and look at that. I mean, just creamy, smooth goodness. I'll keep a little bit. So there's that. And it's a little chilly out here today. As you can see, I'm normally wearing a t-shirt. And it just emulsifies down to nothing. It does leave a little bit of a shine on your hands. I wouldn't say greasy, because once I put this on my hands and I put it in my beard, once I'm done, it pretty much can just rub in, almost condition in my hands. It's not It doesn't leave a bad greasy feel on my hands where I feel like I need to wash my hands. So I just rub this in, rub it on my arms, that kind of thing, and I'm good to go. At night, if I'm putting this butter in at night before bed, I'll rub it on my arms, and then I'll also rub it through my hair a little bit, and it works amazing. This butter is super conditioning. It does so good, and it emulsifies down and breaks down really fast. So really good butters over at Norseman. So now let's talk about the next one. The other one that we have used so far is Golden Fleece. Now, Golden Fleece is oud. Get a little shake. Now, it is a little bit darker oil, and it's just as thick. But that's that oud stank. That is that good oud. Oh, it smells so good. I can't get enough of this one. Love it. Scent duration on Odin's Voyage lasted, I would say, about 6 hours roughly. Golden Fleece, this lasted me all day. I could still smell, when I put in my butter for going to bed, I could still smell the oil and butter from the morning. And I put my products in the morning about 6:30 in the morning. At 9 o'clock, 9:30, I could still smell this in my beard. It is amazing. That scent just stays with you, and it's so good. It smells amazing. And the butter, it's just like the other one. It is just that creamy goodness. Oh, it smells so good. So definitely check out Norseman beard product. All right, I'm telling you, these two scents are amazing. You need to check out Norseman beard products. Terry over at Norseman has given me a promo code for the month of March, for his month of Year of the Beard. Promo code is YOTB25. I will put it right here in the video. That'll save you 25%. Yeah, you heard me, 25% if you go over to Norseman beard products. Now, I will have links in the description for the website, and I will link directly to these products, Odin's Voyage and Golden Fleece, and you can get over and check that out. So let's talk about prices, but I'm gonna have to go to my cheat sheet for that. The other cool thing that Terry offers over at Norseman is if you pick up, say, Golden Fleece, and you want that scent a little bit stronger, you can specify that when you order that you want a stronger scent, and he'll make that scent a little bit stronger for you. Or if you want it a little dialed down a little bit if it's too strong, you can get him to do that. So you can get a little bit of a custom scent strength from Norseman. So prices. Now, Golden Fleece, because it is that oud and that higher priced scent, it does cost a little bit more through Norseman. So let's talk about Odin's Voyage. The oil, the 1 ounce oil, $14. The 2 ounce butter, $16. Really, really good prices. Now, I didn't look at the prices on the combos, but I would imagine it would be the same thing or a little bit cheaper to go with the combo. But yeah, $14 and $16 for Odin's Voyage. Now, for Golden Fleece, the 1 ounce oil of Golden Fleece in the new, it's the new scent strength. It is $22 for this bottle of oil. If you like oud, it's worth $22. The butter, 2 ounce butter, is $25 for the Golden Fleece. Now, I don't have the price on the 4 ounce, but he does have it in 4 ounce in the butter. You have that option to go with a 4 ounce container. Again, Year of the Beard, YOTB25 will save you 25% over at Norseman. So I kind of don't want to put these products down, but I'm gonna have to try out some new stuff. So it's fixing to be rolling on to the next scent, and coming back at you next week with another update. Hopefully 2 more scents that we'll be talking about. And the benefit of this, the whole reason we're doing Year of the Beard, is because all the products from Norseman all have the same carrier blend. They're all the same. So I can use this for a day, this for a day, and it's still gonna have the same effect on my beard other than the scent. So that's what we want to really focus on and talk about during Year of the Beard, is how well this blend is doing for our beard. And I can tell you, it has been doing really well so far. For the month of March, it's been doing really good. I've been using Terry's co-wash and beard wash. It's one container, and he said he uses it, I think he said every day. I've been using it about every other day, and my beard is really, really soft, not hard to get a comb through. It's doing really well. So these products, I look forward to the rest of this month and see how these products do. All right, guys, well, that is it. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.